topic is geometry, and today we will understand what is the meaning of geometry and introduction of geometry. So first we have to look here. This is the points we have to understand. So first point is points. Here you can see this is a dot and this dot represent points. After this we have line. We have a collection of points we called a line, and we can expand line without any limits. After this we have line segment. Here we have two endpoints which is called line segment. After this we have ray. Here we have one endpoint. This is called ray. These three are type of lines. First is line, second is line segment, and third is ray. But the way is different of three. After this we will see curved line. When our line is curved like this, we call curved line. After this, closed figure. When our figure starting point, this is our starting point, and closed point are same. So this is our closed figure. We can see another example like this. Our starting point this and ending point also this. So this is your rectangle, right? This is your triangle. After this, open figure. What is the meaning of open? It means open shape, whatever. So your end point, your starting point like this, and your end point is different. This is your end. So this is your open figure. Your figure is open here. We can see another example like this. This is your starting point and this is your end point. So this is your open figure. Okay. Now we will see here polygons. Polygons is the combination of a straight line. You can see we have a straight line here like this. Okay. So this is your polygon. This is triangle. We make this shape by straight line. So this is also your polygon. Okay. So when you make any figure with straight line, we call that figure polygon. After this, we have to know what is circle. This is your circle. Now in circle, we have a point here. This is called circle. Now we will understand circle in brief. Now we will see here circle. So first we have to look these points. First is circumference. Now you can see here this is a circle. Here we start area from one point to end point, which is called circumference, which is cover whole area of a circle we call a circumference. After this, second is radius. So this point we called center of a circle. We will give one name to this point, which is C. Okay. So we have to draw a line from your center to to your end point of your circle, which is called radius. So you can make any line from your center to end point of your circle, we call radius, and we have to represent our radius as r. You can write small r or capital R, you can write, okay, and we will give a name here also. We can say this point as A. So your radius here is AC. We can say radius is AC. After this we will come here. Third point is diameter. So this is your radius. When you do your radius is double, it means circle one point to last point, which is called a diameter. Diameter represented by D. After this, you can see we will give a name here, this point B. So we can see AB is our diameter. Now we will come in fourth point, that is chord. So you can see here we have to draw a line like this, which is called chord. So we can give a name like E and F. So this is called chord. After this you can see our 5 point is arc. So in circumference, a part, we can take a part of circumference, which is called arc. So we can give another name here, M and N. So this is our arc. After this we will come here, our 6th point is interior and exterior of a circle. It means the points inside the circle we will call, these are the interior points, interior of circle. Exterior, it means you have to put any point here. You can say this is your exterior of circle. Okay. Now semicircle. Semicircle means we all know this is our center point, and we have to divide our circle to equal part. Okay, we have to divide our circle between two equal part. We called this part as a semicircle. Okay, so this is your semicircle. So here you can see, here we have formulas. First formula is diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius. This is r. We all know what is radius, what is diameter now, and we all know this is radius. We represent radius as r. So when you find diameter of any circle, so you have to multiply 2 by radius. Second is radius. When you find radius of any circle, you have to divide your diameter with 2. So you will find your radius. After this, so here you can see this is a word problem which is related to your radius, your circle. So question is, find the radius of the given diameter. So here we have given diameter and we have to find radius. Okay. So first we have to write the formula of radius, that is, we all know what is the formula of radius. Diameter divided by 2. Okay. So you have to write this like this also. So what is your diameter? Your diameter is 12. So put the value of D, that is 12, and divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So your answer is 6. So it diameter and we have to give a radius. So first in this what we can do, first you have to write formula of diameter. That is, you all know what is the formula of diameter. 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, so I represent radius. Radius is 20. Okay, so you have to write here 20. Now you have to multiply with 2 and 20. 2, 0. So 0. You all know when we multiply any number with zeros, we have answer as 0. 2 2s are 4. And we have to put unit also. This is compulsory. So this is your answer, that is diameter is 40 centimeters.